how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I've received a camping tent from Sailnovo. It's not just a camping tent. You could also convert your pickup truck into a camper so that your tent is off the ground and away from the cold earth. So we're gonna unbox it right now. Came out of this box and it has this handy carrying case that's zippered with some straps. Nice little tote bag here. Rods, and I believe it has a rainproof cover for the tent when it's installed onto a pickup truck. So unboxing the pouch with the rods in them, it was very easy. It was all put together like this. There's string inside, elastic. You just plug it in here and make it straight. There are two long ones, three long ones, and they look like exactly the same length. Three long rods, one smaller rod, and two individual single rods that are not the same size. I couldn't find any directions. Except for right in the bag, there are those directions right there. Tells you to crisscross them, the diagram like that. I'm gonna try to figure it out. Though the directions was just that sheet of paper that was stuck onto the bag, it was very straightforward once you started looking at it. All the yellow parts are where the sticks go through. The longest one is the one that goes through the opening, the front part. The two medium-sized one was the crisscross, like that. So you just slip it through the hole here, and it's so easy. They have these clips on here that run into this area there. You've got this bar over here that goes right into this grommet that they have, fits perfectly, and clips onto this grommet over here with another clip. And that's what holds it apart. So there we go. Once it's up, it looks fantastic. This is a tent all in itself. It's just, you can put it in a pickup truck if you want. These were left over and I couldn't figure out where they went. Then I read the instructions and it said, these are spares in case you break those. So it's awesome. This is ready to be placed in a truck now. Going to give you an overview of what it looks like. Has mesh windows that you can zip up or down. As you can see, ventilation over here. As you can see over here, when you lift this up, this part, the bottom part, sits inside the bed of a pickup truck. But if you didn't have a pickup truck, you can use this as a regular tent. Let's go inside. So the mesh part for mosquitoes zips down like that. And then there's another zipper to unzip for the door. So you can have it open like this. The door can go inside. And you can zip up the mesh part if you want ventilation and to keep the mosquitoes out. Let's go inside. I'll take you with me. Look at that. Side windows that have mesh to keep out the mosquitoes. 2 of them. Lets in the air as well as the breeze and gives you a little bit of light. Fantastic. So there's your tent. Fantastic. I love it. You could easily put 2 people, 2 adults in here. Look at that. Ain't that cool? So now you can take a regular pickup truck and turn it into a camper. Doesn't that look great? Now this truck has only a 4-foot bed, okay? This tent is an 8-foot tent. Ideally, this would work for an 8-foot bed, but even a 6-foot bed, it would work. Why? Because even with the 4-foot bed, it still works. You can see this part here clips onto the front part of the bed. This part here would rest on a 6-foot rear. If you added 2 more feet on a 6-foot bed, this part here would rest on the back part, so it's not so lopsided. But because this ends over here on a 4-foot one, it droops a little bit, but it still works. You can put these panels over and you clip them and tie them to your fender so that the rain rolls all the way down. And even with a pickup truck that only has a 4-foot bed, the tailgate comes down and adds 2 more feet. So here we go. This is the bottom of it right here. If you had a 6-foot one, it would extend all the way out to here maybe, you know? But even a 4-foot one works just fine. As you can see, plenty of space for 2 people. You can put an air mattress in here or some padding, pillows and blankets, and you're good to go. And this also comes with a rain cover that slip all the way across. So that's it. Thanks for joining me on this weekend product review. The Sailnovo truck tent. Convert your regular pickup truck into a camper, or you can use the tent all by itself. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
next time on Mowers and Blowers.